Today we are going to discuss about the basic introduction of the nervous system. The nervous system is divided into two parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system includes the brain and the spinal cord. The basic function of central nervous system is to collect information through the sensory neurons, compare and contrast recent information with the past information, and it generates output motor responses. Simply it collects, integrates and response output generations. Peripheral nervous system has two parts, sensory peripheral nervous system and motor peripheral nervous system. Sensory peripheral nervous system further divided into two basic categories, special sensation and general sensation. Special sensation includes the eye, the vision sensation and the smell, the taste, the hearing sensation and the balance, the equilibrium and position. General sensation sensed through multiple parts of the body, the somatic sensation, superficial part like skin, locomotor system, visceral sensation, GIT cramps, dull pain and distension of viscera. The central nervous system contains more than 100 billion neurons. It has three parts, the dendrites, cell body and axons. Incoming signals enter these neurons through synapse located mostly on the neuronal dendrite but also on the cell body. Conversely, the output signal travels by the way of single axon leaving the neuron. Special feature of most synapses is that the signal normally passes only in the forward direction from the axon of preceding neuron to the dendrites on the cell membrane of the subsequent neurons. Proprioception. All the sensation coming from the locomotor system and sent to the brain, the cerebellum, like walking, stretching ear, touching nose with closed eye. Motor peripheral nervous system, the second part of the peripheral nervous system. It includes two parts, the somatic motor responses, which is voluntary responses like movement, and the second one is the autonomic motor responses. It includes the involuntary responses. Autonomic motor responses, which is involuntary responses, is further divided into two categories, sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system is activated when there is a condition of fight and flight, under stress, when heart rate is increased and GIT activities decrease. The parasympathetic nervous system is activated when there is a peaceful condition and heart rate is decreased and GIT activities increase. The terms related to nervous system is the gray matter, which is the collection of the cell bodies of the neurons within the central nervous system. Gray matter is just because of the presence of nucleus like DNA and RNA. The second term is white matter, which is the collection of axons of the neurons within the central nervous system. It is white due to the myelin sheath. Cerebral cortex and the cerebellum cortex are gray matter because the collection of cell bodies of the neurons. At base of the central hemisphere there is a basal nuclei. The piece of gray matter deeper embedded in or surrounded by white matter. It is the seventh nerve coming out down nucleus of the seventh nerve, and the remaining part is the white matter. In brainstem, major motors and sensory crossing occur, deeper part where gray matter and white matter mix known as reticular formation, but during these disintegration there are a large piece of gray matter remain intact known nuclei. Brainstem has a lot of nuclei.